Hmm. Good evening, dear participants. So we have reached the concluding section of this 6 days AICT approved online FDP program. So we thank you all for attending the sessions and of course tolerating our all sort of tantrums throughout these 6 days. Um, I hope you are already able to download your certificates. So there are a few processes. I think we have multiple times we have mentioned that firstly you need to have 80% attendance throughout, and the in portal we have already updated everything. Secondly, 70% assessment marks is mandatory. Next is you need to after the assessment is done, you need to submit the feedback. There are few participants who have not yet submitted feedback in ATAL portal. Whatever the feedbacks you have given, that is okay, but still in ATAL portal you have to submit another last feedback. Then only you will be able to download the certificate. Now I would like to call our respected HOD sir, Professor Saurabh Mohapatra, to share few words and give the vote of thanks. And after that, we'll be listening to you. So over to you, Saurabh sir.
Honorable Principal Sir, esteemed participants, coordinator and co-coordinators. Very good evening to all of you. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you today in the valedictory sessions on the topic that has reshaped the world of technology, that is emergence of cloud computing, cloud technologies, and recent trends. If I say something about the cloud technology, it is hard to ignore the revolutionary changes that have occurred in the way we access, stores, and manage the data today. Cloud computing has rapidly transformed the digital landscapes, offering vast possibilities and opportunities for innovation and growth. The pioneer organizations like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, which brought the concept of cloud service into the mainstream uses, like software as a service, platform as a service, or to infrastructure as a service, business now have the flexibility to access the tools they need. In last few sessions, we have learned about the hybrid and multi-cloud solutions, is computing, serverless computing, AI and automations with the cloud and cloud native technologies, etc. As we come to the conclusions of this enlightening and enriching faculty development programs, it is my honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing institute, Techno International, Newtown. First and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude uh, to our speakers who have delivered the 13th sessions in the last few days. Your words of wisdom have truly inspired us all, and we are deeply grateful for the time and effort you took to be a part of this event. A special thanks to our organizing committee for their meticulous planning and hard work in ensuring that FDP was executed seamlessly. From organizing the sessions to managing the logistics, your dedications and commitment have been truly commendable. A special note of appreciation to all of our participants for their active engagement and enthusiasm throughout the program. Your interest and eagerness to learn have made the discussions more enriching and interactive. This program would have been the same without your involvement, and we thank you for your dedication to professional developments. Last but certainly not least, I would like to thank the AICT and Techno International Newtown for providing us the platform and resources to conduct this FDP. Your constant support for faculty growth and development is truly appreciated. And we look forward to many more such enriching programs in the future. I would like to thank to our Honorable MD Sir Shottam Rai Chaudhary for his continuous inspirations to conduct this type of sessions. I would like to thank you, our principal sir, to encourage us and also guide us how to shape this FDP in a successful manner. As we conclude these programs, let us carry forward the knowledge we have gained and apply it in our teaching, research, and professional lives. I hope that the discussions and learning from this FDP will continue to inspire and guide us in our journey towards becoming better educators. Thank you once again to everyone who made this event a grand success. Wishing all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you all.
Now I'd like to call our respected principal sir, Dr. Oyun Chakraborty, without whose inspiration, motivation, and constant support it won't be possible. Sir, over to you. Please share few thoughts. Like in this journey, you know everything. So please share a few thoughts or insights of your this journey.
Thank you, Dr. Bhattacharya, for giving me this scope to in this valedictory session of this week-long FDP over on this very cutting edge and a booming technology like cloud computing. I want to thank from the core of my heart to the Department of Information Technology, Techno International Newtown to organize such a beautiful and informative as well as a very fruitful futuristic FDP with the help of AICT Auto Scheme. I like to thank especially the HOD and both the coordinators of this FDP, without whose enthusiasm this FDP was not possible, and all the eminent speakers, among whom some of them are my teachers also. So my respectful gratitude to all of them, as well as the participants who are very much attentive, as well as very much made this FDP very much interactive. Whatever I was present in some of the sessions also, it was very much interactive, and I believe that their their questions from different angle of the topics has enriched all the participants, as well as it has ignite the inner educator of the speakers also. And the last thing I want to say, that is, this type of FDP will come, and after a duration it will be ended. But what the outcome we can gain from this type of FDPs, that is very much important. The implementation of the knowledge or the execution of the thoughts what we have, we are nurturing in our mind. If that implementation can be possible, then we can say that the knowledge we have gained from this FDP, it is successful. So I hope that this week-long FDP will create a very good avenue, a research avenue in this domain of cloud computing, as well as we can hope a new collaborations, research collaborations or the project collaborations, inter-college collaborations. That is my appeal to all the participants who have participated in this FDP. So we are very much open and very much like to join the hands with them, with their different institutes they belongs to, in the domain of knowledge sharing, training, as well as research collaboration. We are very much eager to do that, and I must believe our speakers, our eminent speakers, they are our teachers. So if such type of collaboration can be created, we will get their valuable guidance to move forward with these collaborations, so that we can produce, we can create more research avenue, research domains. We can attract more funding, inter-college or collaborative funding from different central or state government schemes, as well as we can participate in different national level or international level competitions. If we can create this scope, then all of us all of us will believe that our exercise is very much successful, and this FDP has created this FDP will create a good impact, the fruitful or the practical impact in the uh, domain of cloud computing, and that is the expectation of AICT also, as per the schemes, as per their schemes they are right now uh, circulating. So thanks to all of you again, and obviously from the family of fraternity of Techno International Newtown, Kolkata, I want to thank all of you for making this FDP a great success. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. And you are always a constant motivation for all of us. Now, I'd like to call my co-coordinator, Dr. Kamolesh Kormokar, to share his thoughts on this FDP. Kamolesh, sir, please share your thoughts. Then we'll move on to the participants, if they have anything to share. So first, Kamolesh sir will share his thoughts. Kamolesh sir, please.
Good evening, everyone. So we are almost at the end of this 6 days FDP program. So everything has been discussed. We had a long journey for last 6 days. So during this time, what I can share that the journey was not very smooth from the very beginning, but somehow we have managed it, and with your support, obviously, and so. Uh, in future, obviously, we may have some problem in planning, in designing the course, so we need your suggestions. So we have received feedback from you. So in future, if we plan and organize these types of event, then obviously this feedback will help us to rearrange or redesign the content. And this was the first program from this department. Like, this is the first time we have received this AutoLibDP approval. So in future, we have learned a lot for during this arrangement of these sessions. So it will help us in future to arrange some other program on recent technologies also, as we know that in computing domain, the technologies are changing regularly. So thanks, thank you, thanks all participants for joining in this session and coordinating with us so that this event goes very smooth. There are some issues, but in many cases, these issues are from the ATAL portal. All these issues cannot be resolved from our end, but still we are trying our best. So thanks for your patience for last 6 days. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal sir. Yes, indeed, it was a very tough journey, I think, for the participants, for all of us, because all the 6 days after your office hours, it's 6 to 9 every day giving feedback, attending classes. But in spite of that, we have seen even all the speakers have mentioned that we have total 323 approved participants, and every day at least 200 participants were there throughout the meeting. Even the number increases 250, 260 till 270. So it was like it's a great achievement. It's a great for us because this is the first time we got this. We are arranging this sort of auto FDP. Department has arranged this. So it's a great for all of us that every day so much of enthusiasms we have got from your end. It's really great. So now over to you participants. You have written us so many messages in WhatsApp groups. Maybe few of you are not yet able to download the certificates. So it's a request, please give your feedback in ATAL portal. Then only you'll be able to download the certificate. Give some time, just have some patience. Mostly most of the participants are able to download their certificates. Maybe few have left just because of their net issues or something else. It should be done. Do not panic, it should be done. Now participants, if you have anything to share, we will be very happy to listen from you, because without you it won't be possible. Anything if you want to share in this portal, in this forum, please, you are welcome. So you can unmute
Ma'am,
yourself. Yes,
can I share?
yes.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you
Yeah,
are audible.
am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, I am Professor Khalikhunisa from the Department of CSE, HKBK College of Engineering, Bangalore, Karnataka.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have completed with 92% all the attendance, 6 days attendance, and I got the certificate also. There is some spelling mistake. Probably I will communicate through mail.
Yes, that is your
Within
end. The mistake happening, that is through your end only, ma'am. It's not from our
yeah,
end.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I'll just mail it and get it done.
Sure.
That is one side. Another side, right from the day when I registered for this ATAL, yeah, the documentation, the kind of communication the organizers had given us, it was excellent. Your mail and then the information and everyday information and attendance status, it was so very user friendly. I really appreciated that. And second thing is the content was too good. The kind of schedule you had framed, the content, the speakers, excellent. Though it was from 6 to 9, we had our own commitments, but still leaving that commitments, I gave my best time. It was very good. A lot of information I got on cloud and cloud infrastructure and all recent trends. And then the assessment also was very good. And the cooperation from your end, the way you have connected with us, it was very good. And overall it was a very very good session, ma'am. Hope to be a part of this session from your college even in future also. I
Sure.
thank I thank all the organizers, speakers, and your college for organizing and giving us this opportunity to know the concept on cloud computing. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm words. I can see Prabhu D, sir, you are there. So please unmute yourself. No need to raise your hands today. You can unmute and you can share your feedback, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Madam, is it audible, madam?
Yes, it's audible.
Maybe for my end, I think it's not audible.
Sir, it is audible. You are audible, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to my HOD who had permitted me to attend this FDP and providing me permission, madam, to attend this FDP, because he motivated us a lot to participate in this ATAL FDP. Second, I would like to thank the organizing committee as well as the coordinator of this program, madam, because this program was very efficiently planned. This is my fourth ATAL FDP program, second FDP program in West Bengal, madam. So here, one thing I would like to highlight here, because in most of the FDPs, the timing constraint, some FDPs, they took the time till 9:30, and some FDPs, they close it before 8:40 like that. But here, as per schedule, without any change, everything went. That one I would like to highlight here. Second, not only in the sessions, parallel communication was there, attendance was also done parallelly today. So I would like to again appreciate this one, because many FDPs which I attended, they updated the attendance the next day, or they took 2 or 3 more days. But because updating the attendance is a very difficult task, because in the previous FDP they explained to me, because for each and every participant you have to go update it for all the days. So all those tedious tasks has been completed with patience. I would like to stress here, with patience, because at the time when some 200 participants are approaching somebody after office hours, we will get irritated. But without any irritation, very gracefully, you have replied, and all the coordinators, everybody, they have replied very patiently. Thanks again, madam. And moreover, almost all the sessions, they have communicated English only, madam. That also I am very happy, because I am from South, language barrier. Initially, I thought, because some of my friends, they insisted me, why you are putting it in North? There will be language barrier. I thought, no, all the previous sessions, they were language neutral, only English they communicated. The lingua franca was only English only. So here also they explained very well. And I had a very gap of 10 years. After 10 years, I am coming back for teaching. I am working as assistant professor in Sri Manaklod Engineering College, Pucheri Union Territory. I completed my MTech long back in 2008. Then 10 years I was working as a consultant. So after coming back, a lot of new topics has come up. So it was very difficult for me to learn. Every time I used to go to the library, or I used to watch these NPTEL videos. Then only my HOD suggested, why don't you attend this ATAL FDP? They teach all the latest technology, it would be useful for you. And I would like to again quote here, all the sessions were really useful, especially that one TCS research person was the principal scientist, I think Mr. Dr. Arjit Mukherjee. His session I liked very much, and that means not the other sessions were poor. His sessions was very much interesting for me. And one more session from this San Diego Supercomputer Center, that was also highly inspired by me, because each and everyone have some different views. For my point of view, these two sessions attracted me very much, and all the speakers, they also very politely answered. In some cases, they don't answer, they mute, only one question they permit. But here, all the participants was given enough time for all the questions, and all the answers have been provided very gracefully. Thank you once again for the opportunity given. Thank you, madam.
Thanks a lot, sir. It means a lot for us. Actually, regarding updating of the attendance, I'd like to mention one thing that yes, there were total 323 participants who attended, who are registered, actually approved for the program, because from 13th we have stopped approving. Otherwise, it should extend towards 330 or like that. But sorry, 350 around. But anyway, it's now 323, and today when we realize that without attendance you won't be able to appear for the test, then today my department, my colleagues, they supported me and Kamalesh sir a lot, including my HOD sir. All of us, we started uploading attendance into the ATAL portal. All my colleagues, all my departmental members, they helped us a lot in these things, because ATAL said that it will be automatically updated. Only the absent persons should be marked, but no, it didn't happen. We have to upload each and everyone's attendance manually. After realization, yesterday night I realized that, and then today morning we started working all together, and it's a like and it was such a group work that everyone we sit together and we started uploading the marks attendance of 323 into 6. It's around 1900 attendances we have uploaded together with the help or with the guidance of our HOD sir. We were there. Our entire department has helped us a lot. I think it means a lot for me as a coordinator. It's great. Okay, next, I can see that Showman sir, Showman Shornokar sir. Ikan sir,
Yes,
if
can
you
you
want
hear
to
me?
share. Yeah, we can hear
Yes,
you.
good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Yes, I would like to appreciate the efforts what you have done, and to all organizing team. Basically, I want to appreciate for uploading the process of attendance what you have done. It was very fast, and thanks to you and your
I
team.
think it decreases the chances of creating ambiguity in the portal and attendance. That's why we thought to share
But
like this
what you
only.
have done, it was very fast. I have
Yes,
never
yes.
seen this, because before it, what I have done was some uh, training program FDP, but they have taken time, 1 week, 3 days. But what you have done, your team has done, I should appreciate it. This was very fast, and at that last of the session, we can give the test and we can download the certificate in the same day. It was very fantastic. I should appreciate your team. So thank you very much, all of you, all of the entire team, the organizing team,
Okay.
and thank you, our Techno India group, for this initiative. Thank you, madam.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
So
Uh,
just for information, uh, it was very difficult when the number of participants grew at 323. It was very difficult to manually check each and every participant's attendance. So that's why we have many times, even in a single day, we have many times requested you to
Obviously,
submit
it is
through
a
the,
teamwork, I think.
yeah.
Obviously, it is a teamwork.
So, and as we are in 2025, some automation is obviously there. We are teachers of
But
computer science and information technology. So we have
yes,
used some technique for resolving this
but the
issue.
problem is that the auto site is not
Yes,
working so well, because I have just failed today that 2 times the site hanged. So I thought that I will not download the certificate, but I have seen that yes, the test marks they have saved somewhere. So obviously, okay, I have managed somehow, but auto portal should be enhanced, I think.
exactly, sir. Even whatever they are saying that only the present thing should be marks, only the absent participants we have to mark, but ultimately it was not there. Anyway, I think they will update it in near future. So the coordinators will be conducting the programs in near future. They will be benefited for this. Any other participant, please, if you want to share anything, you can share. Otherwise, we are already 8. We can end the session. So if there are few issues still we are getting in the WhatsApp group, definitely we'll try to solve the issue. I think most of the participants have been able to download their certificates. It's a prompt effect. It is, even I didn't expect this one, that instantly certificates can be downloaded. But anyway, it was done. Thanks to Auto Academy again for everything, every support we got. Thanks to our college, very own Techno International Newtown. Thanks to Principal Sir, Registrar Madam, Academic Coordinator, my HOD, my entire department, and of course, lastly, thanks to you all participants. Without you, it won't happen. Your support, in spite of its auto 6 to 9 schedule, everything it was managed. So thanks to all of you. I think we should leave now. It's end of the journey. Last Saturday, I was in a very tension that when it will be 8 p.m. in the next Saturday, but ultimately it's 8 p.m. next Saturday. It's 18th 8 p.m. actually. So it was a big journey for us. We have hopefully done it. Few issues, we'll try to solve it soon. We'll definitely mail ATAL again. I hope we can end the session. If anything you want to share, you can call us. Even for any issues, you can call us. We are there. You can communicate with us directly. Our phone numbers or mail IDs are there. So we are concluding here. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Stay happy, stay blessed. Kamali sir, please end the meeting.